A case of honor killing has been reported from the state of Kerala in the Palakkad district. Anish was allegedly murdered, post which his father-in-law, Prabhakumar, was taken into custody from a relative's house in Coimbatore. Now, Palakkad's DYSP, P. Sasikumar, has stated that it is yet to be confirmed if the murder was an attempt of honor killing or not. But the victim's family continues to allege that the murder was a case of honor killing. This is news coming in. My colleague Ashwin is on the phone lines. Ashwin, important developments coming in. A case of honor killing has been registered. Now, there needs a lot of clarity because the family is continuing to allege that this was a case of honor killing. What are you picking up?
From the sources, we have understood that it is a case of honor killing, and the deceased is Anish.
Who was married to Harita 3 months ago, and since this marriage was the wishes of the family, as per sources from the police sources are saying, they have been receiving a lot of threat over the past 3 months. In fact, they have also told this boy that they won't let him live for more than 3 months. And so for almost 1.5 months, this deceased person Anish didn't even go out, fearing that the family might attack him. And it was yesterday evening at around 6:30 when this incident has happened. He was hacked, he was cut and bruised with knives, with machetes, and there has been injury mark on his thighs as well as on his neck. So the boy's father has told the local media as well that this is a case of honor killing. There is a caste issue. There has been various quarrels with the boy and the father-in-law. So now the cops have arrested the father-in-law as well, Mr. Prabhu Kumar, and the girl's uncle, Mr. Suresh. So these two people have already been taken into custody. The cops are yet to officially confirm it's a case of honor killing, but the family is definitely maintaining that it's a case of honor killing.
That are all important developments coming up there. Many, many thanks, Ashwin, for being with us. And that was my colleague Ashwin who gave us the latest developments coming in. The clarity whether it's an honor killing case or not, there is not as of certain, but the news coming in from the Palakkad district of Kerala as we speak is that the family has continued to allege that this was a murder and case of honor killing. We'll be tracking the story from Palakkad in Kerala.